For the truck drivers that demand a solution for better efficiency between the job sites, the 2012 GMC Sierra 1500 Hybrid delivers power and amenities.
Easily manage large cargo by loading up the truck bed with up to 1,500 pounds or tow up to 6,100 pounds. Each and every detail of the exterior expresses muscularity. This vehicle achieves a sporty stance when viewed from all angles. The easy lift locking tailgate helps minimize effort needed to close the rear tailgate.
Top features include power windows, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, a tonneau cover, a trailer hitch, and more. Additional available features include leather upholstery, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, a power seat, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, reverse sensing system, and others depending on your trim selection.
The available 7-speaker premium Bose sound system includes a subwoofer and fills the interior with crisp audio experience. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network.
The 2012 GMC Sierra 1500 Hybrid. With potent V8 power and performance equipment integrated throughout, you should definitely take this one for a test drive.